A wolf in sheep's clothing. A retelling of the Aesop's fables or Erin Wilcox, illustrated by Julie Columbet. Focal question: what do the sheep learn in the story? There once was a sheepdog named Millie. She looked after sheep on the farm. One day Millie saw that one sheep was missing. "Where's Dolly?" Millie asked. "Why don't you ask the ghost?" said one sheep. "They have been acting nervous," the sheep added. "Millie asked the ghost if they knew anything." An old ghost said, "Yesterday I looked over the wall. I saw a wolf cover the sheep's wounds," he added. "He was leading Dolly into the forest." Millie drools. Where will a wolf get wolf? Then she looked in the barn, where the sheep got their head cuts. That gave her an idea. Millie took the sheep to her barn. She covered herself with wolves, so he looked like a sheep too. Then she moved to the edge of the fields and pretended to graze. Soon the wolf, covered in sheep's wool, came near the fields. "Want to know where some tasty grass is?" the wolf asked Millie. "Follow me," he added. Millie followed him into the forest. The rest of the sheep quietly followed behind. The wolf led Millie to his den. Dolly was there. She was scared but alive. "Dolly!" Millie barked aloud. The sheep ran into the wolf's den. They pinned the wolf against the den wall. His wool fell to the ground. Now the sheep saw that he really were a wolf in sheep clothing. The wolf backed down. There were many more of them than him. He ran from the den with his tail between his legs. Millie and the sheep all went home. Dolly never followed a strange sheep again. Glossary: fields, a flat land with few or no trees. Graze: these grasses or other plants in a field. Nervous, worry. Pins: held someone or something in place so it couldn't move. Sheepdog: a dog that is trained to herd sheep. Wool: sharp, curly hair on a sheep or goat. Connection: writing and art. Pretend you're a wolf. Write a letter to Dolly. Tell her how sorry you are and what you learned. Add a picture to your letter. Social study: safaris, a wolf in sheep clothing means more than a wolf who dressed like a sheep. Ask an adult what it means and discuss with your class.